Hello and welcome. Let's discuss the CDP Administrator Public Cloud Exam Guide, CDP-5001. This exam is specifically designed for system administrators who are responsible for managing and maintaining the Cloudera Data Platform, CDP, on public cloud environments. The exam tests your ability to handle the day-to-day operations of Cloudera Data Platform, ensuring that it runs smoothly in a public cloud environment. You'll need to demonstrate proficiency in maintaining, troubleshooting, and optimizing CDP in the cloud. If you're a system administrator working in a cloud environment with Cloudera, this exam is critical for validating your skills and expertise. Make sure you're comfortable with the tools and processes required to manage CDP on public cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP. Let's cover the exam details for the CDP Administrator, Public Cloud, CDP 5001 certification. And let me tell you, the best place to prepare for this exam is quicktechie.com. The real exam number is CDP 5001, and it consists of 60 questions. You'll have 90 minutes to complete the exam, and you'll need to achieve a pass score of 60% to succeed. The exam is delivered online and is proctored through QuestionMark. Make sure to review the system requirements ahead of time to ensure your system is ready for proctored testing. During the exam, you are not allowed to use any resources. No reference materials, no white papers, and no user guides. This means you'll need to rely solely on your knowledge, and quicktechie.com is the best place to gain the expertise you need. Now we'll walk through the steps to access the CDP Administrator Public Cloud Exam, CDP 5001 preparation material on quicktechie.com. First, head over to quicktechie.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Next, navigate to the Certifications menu. You can easily filter by Cloudera certifications, which will bring up the relevant exams for Cloudera. Now, find and click on the Cloudera CDP Administrator Public Cloud Exam, CDP 5001. Here, you'll see the currently available 5 question papers specifically designed to help you prepare for this certification exam. On this page, you can also read more details about the certification, including what to expect in the exam. Let's click on the first question paper to get started. It will load and you'll be able to browse through each question. After submitting an answer, you'll instantly see both your answer and the correct answer, along with a detailed explanation of why the correct answer is right. This feature is especially useful for learning and reinforcing your understanding of the topics. You can explore other details on the same page as well, such as additional insights into the exam topics. Similarly, you can go through all 5 practice papers before your real exam. Each paper gives you an opportunity to hone your skills and gain confidence. Make sure to keep visiting this page, as new details or updates for this certification will be accessible directly from here. And don't forget, at the bottom of the page, you'll find links to other Cloudera certification preparation materials available on quicktechie.com. This is how you can fully utilize quicktechie.com to prepare and succeed in your CDP Administrator Public Cloud, CDP 5001 certification. Now, let's talk about syllabus for this certification. We'll be covering onboarding, prerequisites, and InfoSec, which is the first major topic in the syllabus. Let's break down what you need to focus on. First, you'll need to understand cloud providers' networking and compute architecture. This includes how cloud resources are structured in terms of networking and compute power, and how they interact. Next is the cloud provider's virtual private cloud, VPC. You'll learn how to set up and manage a VPC to isolate and control your cloud resources effectively. Then we have network subnets, a key aspect of cloud networking. You'll need to know how subnets are used to segment networks within a VPC to manage traffic and security. You'll also dive into networking security groups. These are essential for controlling the flow of traffic to and from your cloud resources, ensuring that only authorized traffic can reach your instances. We'll also explore Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2, where you'll learn how to deploy and manage instances in Amazon EC2 and Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, EKS, which focuses on managing containerized applications. Identity and Access Management, IAM, is another critical area. You'll need to understand how to manage roles and policies to ensure secure access control to your cloud resources. We'll also cover storage options. You'll learn how to choose between different cloud storage services depending on your needs. Understanding cloud formation and templates is key for automating cloud infrastructure deployment. And lastly, you'll dive into security key management and encryption, learning best practices for keeping your data secure. These topics are foundational for anyone managing cloud resources, so make sure to dive deep into each one as you prepare for the exam. In Topic 2, Environments and Data Lakes, a crucial part of your preparation for this certification. And remember, for detailed study materials and practice questions, quicktechie.com is the best platform to ensure you're fully prepared. First, you'll need to understand the CDP architecture, how the Cloudera Data Platform, CDP, is structured, and how its components interact to support data management and analytics. Next, we focus on CDP environments and CSP interface. This involves managing environments within CDP and understanding the integration between CDP and cloud service providers, CSPs like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Then we'll dive into data lake storage and components, where you'll learn how data lakes are configured, the various storage options available, and the core components involved in managing a data lake. Lastly, you'll need to master the role of the data lake ID broker. This is critical for managing identity and access within the data lake environment, ensuring secure and efficient data access. quicktechie.com offers detailed explanations and practice questions on each of these topics, so be sure to leverage these resources to get a thorough understanding before your exam. As part of Topic 3, Data Hubs and Data Services, an important part of the certification exam. Let's break down the key areas you need to focus on. First, you'll need to understand the data services architecture. This involves learning how data services are structured within the Cloudera Data Platform, CDP, and the components that make up this architecture. Next, we'll dive into data services autoscaling. This is where you'll learn how data services can automatically scale up or down to handle varying workloads, ensuring efficient resource usage. Then, we'll explore data services security. You'll need to know the best practices for securing data, including managing access control, encryption, and protecting sensitive information within the data services ecosystem. Lastly, you'll cover data services integration, where you'll learn how data services integrate with other components and platforms within the CDP ecosystem to create a cohesive and efficient data management environment. Mastering these topics will be key to your success in the certification exam, so make sure to review them in detail as you prepare. In Topic 4, CDP Identity Management, which holds a significant weight of 20% in the certification exam. Let's break down the key areas. First, we have Ranger architecture and policies. You'll need to understand how Apache Ranger is structured and how to configure policies to manage access and permissions across the Cloudera Data Platform, CDP. Next is Ranger auditing, where you'll learn how to track and audit access control policies. This is essential for ensuring compliance and security within your data environment. We'll also cover control plane auditing. This is crucial for auditing the control plane to ensure transparency and governance over the entire CDP environment, helping you maintain a well-governed data infrastructure. Finally, you'll focus on identity provider integration. You'll learn how to integrate external identity providers with CDP to streamline access control and centralize identity management across your cloud infrastructure. Since this topic carries a 20% weight, it's critical to have a deep understanding of each component. Make sure you're familiar with Ranger and how identity management works within the Cloudera Data Platform. quicktechie.com is the ultimate platform for anyone preparing for industry-recognized certifications, especially in the fields of cloud computing, data engineering, machine learning, and big data technologies. Whether you're gearing up for exams like Cloudera's CDP Administrator, CDP Machine Learning Engineer, or any other advanced certifications, quicktechie.com offers comprehensive practice papers, full-length question papers tailored to match the exam format, ensuring you're prepared for the actual test experience. Detailed explanations. Each question comes with in-depth explanations for both correct and incorrect answers, ensuring you understand the concepts behind the material. Up-to-date resources. The platform stays current with the latest exam updates, providing relevant content and materials for your preparation. User-friendly interface. Easy navigation allows you to filter by certification, browse question papers, and track your progress. With quicktechie.com, you're not just practicing for an exam, you're mastering the material with confidence. It's the go-to platform for professionals looking to advance their careers in tech. Prepare thoroughly, learn effectively, and pass confidently with quicktechie.com.
Is your go-to resource. What sets QuickTechie apart is its structured, step-by-step approach to job-specific interview preparation, providing a complete system that caters to the specific demands of the job market. With quicktechie.com, you can prepare for up to 10 different rounds of interviews, each round designed with a unique preparation method. This isn't just your standard interview prep. You'll go through customized modules that simulate real-world interview questions and scenarios based on the role you're applying for. From technical questions to behavioral and case studies, every round is tailored to give you the most comprehensive preparation possible. But quicktechie.com doesn't stop at just interview preparation. Once you're done with the interview rounds, the platform moves on to screening your resume for a specific job. quicktechie.com's advanced AI matches your resume to the job description and highlights the matches and mismatches. It pinpoints areas where your resume aligns with the job requirements and shows you where there are gaps, giving you clear insights into what you need to focus on. Next, the platform generates a personalized study guide that is very specific to the job you're targeting. This study guide is based on the mismatches or gaps identified during the resume screening. It is tailored to help you close the knowledge gaps and prepare you with the exact skills you need to excel in the job. The entire process is designed to ensure that you're not just preparing blindly, but studying the areas that matter most for the role you want. And the best part, this system is completely flexible. Whenever you want to use it, it's there for you. Whether you're preparing months in advance or at the last minute, quicktechie.com offers the tools and resources you need to be fully prepared at any time. In summary, quicktechie.com is the ultimate career growth platform, giving you a full suite of tools to prepare for interviews, screen resumes, and generate tailored study guides that align perfectly with the job you're pursuing. It's an all-in-one solution designed to help you succeed with ease and efficiency.